Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Leilani Love, okay? And today we're about to hop right into this. This is a quick little get ready with me. All right guys, I'm starting with my Skin Protect, okay? I use the entire boho line because I'm not trying to have that little dark patch or light patch on my skin. No matter what line you use, make sure you use Skin Protect, guys. Do not use alcohol. I know some of y'all see that little white line that be on your hairline where your skin is lighter or darker. Stick to the good stuff, okay? This is the Lemon Myrtle by Boho. It's super good for active skin. I love using this. I'm only going to use 2 layers, and it's good if you sweat, perspire, work out. It also has an antibacterial agent in it that helps, like if you perspire or sweat, you know, it fights against, you know. So now we just gonna lay this bad boy down, tie it down, style our little baby hairs, and we out the door, okay? This is literally the quickest, easiest install ever. The only thing I messed up is, I know y'all see that bright ass cap. Yeah, I didn't color my cap, I just put it on. I didn't think it was gonna show through the lace, but obvious, you see it, but you also see your girl covered it up. It's giving very much spring. It's giving very much summertime. It's giving, bitch, I'm hot, I'm cute, I can get wet, I'm pretty. It's a vibe, okay? It's like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is a Moana unit, which is like a deep curly unit. This is like my all-time favorite wig. I can't even lie. Like, and I love a natural beat, so this is like my kind of go-to look. Like a natural beat with, you know, just a little pop of color, nothing too crazy. Just a natural beat, natural install, nothing too crazy. But y'all know I do have to start doing my crazy installs, my colors, because, yeah, your girl been neglecting her colorful wigs. But can we get into this hair, though, and this makeup? Like, seriously? Yeah, but anyway. I hope you guys like this look. Make sure you tune into my Instagram, Leilani's.love, and Leilani Lace Me, so you can see other looks that I do on other people, myself, you know, things of that nature. And just tune in, tap in. I'm also accepting clients. If you're in the New York City area and you need your hair or makeup done, you can always hit me up for an appointment. So, but good vibes only, guys, because I do turn people away if you're a little bit too on the aggressive or too on the not friendly side, okay? Positive vibes only, please. All summer. Yeah. But anyway, I'm not gonna ramble, not gonna rant. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in. And until next time, peace and love.